It's Hannah with WTI.
One of the few things I like about cold weather is I get to wear sweaters, and this green sweater by ALLOVIN is so cute and so perfect for this cold, snowy weather we have been having. This sweater is so comfortable and so cozy. A couple features that I really appreciate that make it a little bit different is the texture on the sleeves. I love this pattern on them. It adds really a lot of interest. I also like the puff sleeves that the tight around your wrist offers. It also has the same thing around your waist, so you get this nice little cover if you have a mom pooch like me. The pocket is also super cute. I also love that this is machine washable, so I can just throw this sweater in with the rest of my clothes and I don't have to worry about special care. Another thing I noticed is if you are looking for a sweater for warmth, this one does not have holes through the knitting. It is very tightly woven, so you're not having a lot of holes to let air and wind blow through. So if you are looking for a really cute sweater for those cold, snowy days, this one is super cute. I highly recommend it.
And that's my point of view.